Aloha, beautiful humans. This quick energy tune-up will be done utilizing solfeggio tuning forks for the 3-3 portal. The archetypal energy that is coming through for the 3-3 portal is the Empress energy. The Empress has mastered all the elements and utilizes them for the highest good of all. Everything that the Empress touches turns to gold. Her energy is one based on fecundity, abundance, creativity, and the birth of something new. Her energy is ruled by Venus, and sometimes can be a little self-indulgent. On a day such as the 3-3 portal, this is perfectly okay to be a little self-indulgent. Gaia herself will be releasing bursts of biophotons from her central core. Today is a perfect day if you are able to put your bare feet on the earth. Not only will she receive your lower vibrations, but she will deliver all of these magical bursts of biophotons from her central core. I recommend doing that either before or after this energy tuning. Tuning forks naturally align all of your cells and chakras so that they are in perfect harmony and coherence. So please take a moment to get comfortable in a place where you're ready to receive. You can be lying down flat on your back with your palms facing up, or you can be seated upright. Close your eyes. Focus your attention on your breath. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Take a deep breath in and let it out. 174 hertz is the frequency of security and love. This frequency helps motivate organs to function at their optimal state while also giving them a sense of security, safety, and love. This lower tone also works like a natural anesthetic by reducing pain. (285 hertz is associated with safety, energy, and survival. It is a frequency linked to the root chakra and is also associated with deep tissue healing. 396 hertz is associated with cleansing feelings of guilt, fear, and trauma by bringing down defense mechanisms. (417 Hz) is known for its ability to remove negative energy from our auric field. It also facilitates change, calms intense feeling, and helps to build inner strength. The frequency of 528 Hz is believed to be so powerful that it can help to repair DNA damage, bring peace and harmony, and restore equilibrium. It also brings about transformation and an increased amount of love energy, clarity of mind, awareness, activated creativity. (639 Hz) frequency helps to balance emotions and elevate the mood. It also promotes communication, love, understanding, and brings harmony. (741 Hz) frequency helps with problem solving, cleansing the body, and self-expression. (852 Hz) frequency helps to awaken inner strength, awaken intuition, and return to spiritual order. (963 Hz) frequency is known as the frequency of the gods. It's where we access our divine consciousness or enlightenment. Take a moment to integrate these frequencies. When you're ready, you can start to move your toes, or your fingers, and slowly open your eyes. See how the energy around you looks different. Notice how you feel. Your energy and chakras are now cleared and aligned, and you are ready for the 3-3 portal, for the magical archetypal energy of the Empress. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.